Alright, well, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to jailbreak the iPhone 11 Pro Max. As we can see right here, I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I'm going to jailbreak this today in this video, and everything you need to know about jailbreaking and how to jailbreak and how to install the Cydia or the Cilio, whatever you prefer. I'm going to show you guys in this video. And now before we start this video and before we dive into, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video related to jailbreaking. Now that's been said, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. So as we can see right here, this is the normal iPhone that never been jailbroken. As we can see right there, there's no Cydia, there is no Cilio, there is no Uncover, and there's no Torian jailbreak. It's basically a brand new phone that you are ready to jailbreak. As we can see right here, let me show you guys the journal, and then if we go to about, and my phone is right now, let me bring it close to the camera, and as we can see, the software I'm running is 14.3 and the model name is iPhone 11 Pro Max, and this is all the information. And if I go back to the main page, as we can see right here, there's nothing related to the jailbreak, as we can see right here, so you can see it yourself. And I'm going to do everything step by step in this video so you guys can actually, if you're looking into jailbreaking your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, whatever you got, I'm going to show you guys what firmware that you can actually jailbreak and everything. So now the first thing, I'm going to go and open up my Safari. And once I open up the Safari, and I'm gonna open up a new tab, go to Google, and here I'm gonna, let me log out of my account. I'm gonna type in Uncover jailbreak, so it's right here. So you want to type in a Google the Uncover jailbreak, just like this, and then you're gonna open up the first link right here. It says Uncover. Open this up, and now let me tell you guys, if you want to use the Uncover jailbreak, as we can see right here, the most advanced jailbreak tool, and you can jailbreak anything that's running on iOS 11.0 to 14.8. So if you have iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, whatever you got, as far the iOS that you're running on is 11.0 to 14.8, you can jailbreak like this. So using this. So now, as we can see right here, last week we got an update, and it says what's new. And as we can see right here, added exploit guide to improve reliability on A12, A13 iPhones running iOS 14.6 to 14.8, and fix exploit reliability on iPhone S device running iOS 14.6 to 14.8. So if you scroll down, you got all the other, this is the installation guide. As we can see right here, you can do on iOS, as we can see it. So this is the installation guide if you're doing on your phone, and this is going to be for Mac OS. This is going to be a window, and then you got the Linux. So you got 4 methods, and today I'm going to show you guys using your device and your device itself. As we can see right here, my device is not connected to any laptop, any computer or anything. So we're gonna do everything on our device today. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna exit out of this. So that's everything that you need to know about the Uncover jailbreak. And as we can see, there's nothing about uncover. There's nothing about no Cydia, no nothing. So what I really want you to do, the first step you want to take is to go to Google, and you want to put in your Google, you want to put in this link right here. So this link right here. So I'm going to open this on my from my notes, and when you open up, it's called jailbreaks.app, and so then you got the jailbreaks. And if you see at the time of you watching this video and you're ready to jailbreak your device, you want to make sure this green dot is green, it's not red. If it's red, then that means this link is down, it's been terminated, and you gotta wait for this dot to turn green, and then once you see this dot green, you're good to go. So in the bottom, as we can see right here, the popular apps. So you got Odyssey, you got Torian, and then you got the Uncover jailbreak. So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys the Uncover, how to install the Uncover, and how to jailbreak your device using the Uncover. And if you guys want to use the Torian, just let me know in the comments below, and I will show you guys the process of Torian as well in a separate video. So let's. So you want to click on the Uncover jailbreak right here, and this window gonna open up, and as we can see, the latest version is 8.0.2, and downloads that many people downloading, as we can see right there. So what you want to do, you want to click on Git right there, and then you're gonna see this window pop up. You're gonna want to hit install and exit out of here. And then if we go to Springboard, as we can see, there's a download started, and and now we got the Uncover on our device. As we can see, my phone is not connected to any computer or anything, so everything being done on your device. So this is really, really awesome and really easy process. So now, once you see the Uncover, you probably ready to open up, and it's not going to open up because you gotta trust this developer. So how you do that, you want to go and open up your setting, and once you open up your setting, go to Journal, and then scroll down till you see a device management. Click on that, and you're going to see this. You want to click on this right here, and then as we can see right there, app from developer iPhone company limited are not trusted on this phone and will not run until the developer is trusted. So what do you want to do? You want to click on trust, and then you want to click on trust again, and now as we can see, it says delete where it was saying trust. Now it says delete. So in the bottom, as we can see right there, Uncover jailbreak.app is verified. So now we're good to go, and we can open up the jailbreak, the Uncover. So now if we click on the Uncover app, as we can see, everything open up. And now let me show you guys a little bit of information about the Uncover jailbreak for iOS 11.0 to 14.8. And as we can see, this is the interface of the jailbreak. So now from here, all you want to do is you want to click on the jailbreak button, the blue button right in the bottom, right here, and it's gonna run its process. So that's all you have to do. Just click on the jailbreak and let it do its thing. And as we can see, the process is started. And when you see this window, you want to swipe down. And as we can see right here, don't worry. So it says 22 out of 32. And as we can see right here, jailbreak completed. The system need to be reboot to finish the jailbreak process. When your device reboots, rerun the jailbreak to complete the process. So you want to hit OK. And it's going to reboot. It's going to take a couple of seconds. And once they reboot and the device come back, and then we're going to run jailbreak one more time. And then that's about it. Then we should be done. So as we can see, we got the Apple logo. And We should be back in the device in any moment. There you go. And now, as we can see, there's still no Cydia, but because we need to rerun the jailbreak. So nearby hotspot, personal hotspot, do you want to join? I'm going to hit cancel. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back into setting. As we can see, the when phone rebooted, it got disconnected from Wi-Fi, so it's connected back. And now we're going to go and we're going to open the Uncover app again, just like that. And now we're going to hit the jailbreak in the bottom again, like this. And now we're going to let it run this process again. And this time, this number should go up to 31 or 32, depending on the process. So now, as we can see, it's up to 29. And now it's, doing its thing. Now if we swipe this window down, and as we can see right there, it went to 31 out of 32, and jailbreak completed. So you want to hit OK. It's going to reboot the device again. And this time we should have the Cydia on our device, and it should be ready to go. All right, we're going to unlock. And as we can see right there, there is the Cydia on our device. And it's right there. There is the Uncover and there is the Cydia. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up the Cydia. So just to show you guys it's working. So I'm going to open up the Cydia. As we can see, the Cydia is opening. And now I'm going to wait for this red circle. It's updating. And then the first time when you install the Cydia, and then once you open, you will see this pop up right here. This is really important. I want you to pay attention. You got the 3 options right here, and you don't you want to click on complete update. So not the upgrade. You want to click on complete upgrade. So when you're going to do that, it's going to show that all these packages need to be upgraded for your Cydia to work properly. So when you click on the complete, and then you want to click on the, sorry, I had the wrong button. So let me go in and upgrade, and then you want to hit the confirm on the top right corner right there, and you're going to run the process. And once you run this, you're going to reboot your device, and once it does, and when they come back, and you're going to open the Cydia second time, as we can see right there, reboot the device. And when they come back, we should not have any message or any pop-up on Cydia. We should be good to go. So I'm going to show you guys once this device come back. It's really easy, really simple. Everything being done on your device. You don't need a computer, you don't need a laptop, you don't need anything. So as we can see, we got the Apple logo, and we are almost done. And we just gotta wait for the device to come back, and we go to the there's the Cydia. If we open up, as we can see, it crashing. So what we have to do now, you want to open up the Uncover app. So open up the Uncover, click on the jailbreak again, and because it got a hard rebooted, and that's why we need to re-jailbreak the device. So as we can see, as the process is started, as we can see, it didn't take that long. You want to hit when you see this window, you want to hit OK again. You're going to reboot your device again. The reason I'm doing this, so you guys don't miss anything, or you guys don't have any problems. So that's why I'm doing every step, and I'm showing every step in this video, because I want you guys to have the better experience when you guys jailbreaking. So now, since we are back, and I'm going to click on the Cydia application again, as we can see, and this time we're going to let it update, and there you go. We don't have any message, we don't have any pop-up, And if I click on the, so right now it's on the Cydia tab right here in the bottom. The next one is sources right here. So these sources come pre-installed when you install the Cydia. And then the next one is changes. So this is where you're gonna find all the tweaks and themes. And then the next one is installed. So these are the pre-installed themes and the substrate. They come with the Cydia. Then the next one is the search bar, and this is how you jailbreak your device, and this is how you install your Cydia. And at this moment, that's all for this video. And I just want to say really quick that if you want me to show you guys process of the Torian jailbreak, I would be happy to. Just let me know in the comments below. And also at this point, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys don't miss anything in the future, because I just jailbreak this phone and I'm gonna be making a bunch of videos about the best Cydia tweaks and themes that you need for your for you to customize your phone. And if you don't want to miss those videos, all you have to do, subscribe to my channel, and I promise it won't charge you anything. It's completely free. Just hit that subscribe button and you're good to go, and so that way you won't miss anything in the future. Now that's been said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.